Hello once again, my name is Kanika and today I'll be telling you a simple platform in which you can make animate talking. You can make a video, animation, game, anything in which you can make two characters talking with each other. This is a completely free platform that you can continue online. Even I have not signed in this Scratch and I am making the components here. Let us have a look in a stepwise manner. In the first step, what you have to do is you have to open this platform, that is Scratch. You can just have a look at the link given in the description so that you can directly come over Scratch. You will find a new project here in which what you need to add is, first of all, you need to add sprite. That means a character. I'm choosing a sprite here. There are many sprites that are already present. In my next video, I'll also tell you how you can add your own sprite if you want to add your own picture. So here I have added this sprite. The name of this sprite here in Scratch is D. Let us have some background. So I'm going on backdrops. From backdrop, you can choose any required background that you feel suitable. Let us have a look which one should I choose, and I'm choosing this background. So here we go. Here is my sprite with a background. Now what I need to do is I'll be making this animate, this sprite talking with you. Let us have a look how we are going to do that. Now in the second step, what we have to do, we have to code so that this animate can talk. Let us see what all things we have to select from the coding block. In the event part, I will be clicking on when green flag clicked. I'm just dragging and dropping it. On dropping, it will come here in the main area of coding. These are actually coding blocks. We don't need to type anything here. And it's really very simple. You can do it on your mobile phone also. So when green flag is clicked, I want that my animation, my D should talk, should say something. So I'm moving on looks, and I'm asking D to talk something. I'm saying say hello for 2 seconds. And also I can add some kind of sounds here. For going to sound, I'm just clicking over sound tab here, adding some more sound. There are a large number of sound effects that you can see. So I'm adding the voice of a person, so I need this one. If you need to add party sound, laugh, or a beatbox, let us add hey. And I'm just adding this hey sound in my coding part. Or what I can do is, instead of hello, I'm writing here hey, so that the sound and the appearance can match. And now I'm adding the sound, play sound hey until done. So I'm adding the sound, and let us have a look how does it appear. I'm going to full screen mode and I'll be playing it by clicking the green flag. Hey! So there it was. Hey! But one thing you might have noticed, that the sound and the message that is written here is not coming together. So for doing that, what we can do, we can just separate it out. We can play sound all together with the animation message like this. Hey. So here we go. We are having a simple hey conversation in which we have even shown a message, written message, and although a sound of the same. So in this step, what I'm going to do is, let us add one more sprite so that D can talk with someone. I am going on to choose a sprite option, and I am choosing one more sprite here. Let us add Ruby now. So this is Ruby and D will be talking with Ruby. So when we are clicking on Ruby, as you can see, when I'm clicking on D, this coding area will show all the coding that we have done for D. When I'm clicking on Ruby, the coding area will be showing the coding for Ruby, but we haven't coded anything yet. So let us have code for this. So whenever we want that whenever the green flag is clicked, then we want that Ruby should say hi, or Ruby should do or perform something. So let us have a look at costume of Ruby. Ruby is having two costumes, sitting and standing. So we can't use either of that. So let us have a look at any other part. Ruby can show message. So let us say when green flag is clicked, at the time we need to wait for some. So we'll be putting here wait for some time, and after waiting for some time there can be the message that needs to be shown. I'm just moving on for the waiting code block. Let's have a look where it is. We do have a coding block in which you can ask to wait. So here we have control wait for a few seconds. So we are going to say wait for 2 seconds, and after that say hello. So here we can add hello. Now let us move on to sound part. But in the sound part, what you can see is a hello was not there. So why not let's record a hello. So here I'm making a recording, and for that just I'll be saying a hello. Let us have a recording of that. Hello. So here we go. We have a hello. Or we can re-record and say something else. Hello D. Hello D. Hello D. So once we are done with recording of sound, we can now move further, and what we need to add is we need to add start sound, and we can add start sound, or we can even add start sound until done. But I'm adding just start the sound, and I need to add wait. So I am adding waiting here for 2 seconds, because till that much time D will be speaking. So let us have a look at what we have coded for, and this is going to be really amazing. Hey. Hello D. So that was it. See how does it work? It was very nice. So like this, you can add many more things, and you can add many more things in the conversation, and you can record your own voice, or you can choose already recorded things so that you can have something special. You can create whatever you want.